streaming. Of course, AI-powered speech processing. This is probably nowadays the most crucial use case. And here it can be many things. Voice assistants, bots that analyze a response in real time. It could be used as well for keyword spotting and detecting specific terms in conversation, and of course sentiment analysis. I believe that in that section the latter of the scenarios it's not limited. It's only limited by our imagination. Of course, live translation and transcription, that media streaming can be used for that, for integrating with transcription services. With multilingual support, that means that it can be as well translated on the time. Media streaming over sockets, since it is raw audio, from the call, it can be used for fraud detection and security reasons. Yeah, like for example, voice biometric as well to verify caller identity. And of course, it might be used for something that for now only conferences were used. So it might be used for call whispering and coaching. So when you want to add the third leg, instead of complicating things with conferences and paying more, it is easier to use bidirectional streaming. So let's now talk a bit about the implementation. I would not focus much about this, what is written on that slide. I would rather like to encourage you to take a look at those getting started tutorials that are listed at the bottom. You need, of course, to have Telnix account, establish voice API and XML or XML application, then create outbound voice profile for making outbound calls. And then if you want to have a number, it's not mentioned here, but if you want to have number assigned by the number, assign it to the application and then just use it from either XML here or using direct endpoints. On my demo, I will talk a bit more about that, but I believe that the basics that you can find in that tutorial, but I will try to more focus on the description. Okay, so let's see how it may look like. From voice API, it is supported from dial, answer, and dedicated streaming strat endpoints. Here's an example of dial endpoint, I mean calls which making dials. And here you can see that there are only few attributes that are needed. Streaming tracks, streaming URL, the most important streaming URL that is